Good morning, friends. It's the Roof Farmer. Wanted to take you on a little bit of a tour of our gardens. It's been a really pleasant spring now in the later part of the spring, but we're sort of entering into the summertime and we're transitioning out of our leafy greens and into some of the more staple summer crops. Carrots that we started in the greenhouse, they have come to maturity and we're going to start pulling them this week. Noticed in some of the plants, some of the cucumbers right behind me, that there's cute little cucumbers on there. Our gold beets that we started in the greenhouse are looking just golden. I wish you could smell I wish you could smell that dill. Got a little experiment going. We got carrots interseeded with our tomatoes, because as the book says, carrots love tomatoes, so I guess we'll see. And how could I forget to mention the fact that we are now sheep people. We're in the sheep game, people. Oh, and goat game, which I don't know if it's a package deal. Say hi to our new friends. That's Peter looking at us right now. Franny in the back there, the white. And then we have two baby doll Southdown sheep. One's named Joy Jr. and I forget the other one. Oh, look who wants to come and see it. Get a carrot. Oh, you don't want it? Good, because you're not supposed to eat carrots. These are all of our broccoli plants. Got a nice wave of broccoli coming. Oh yeah. Kale up wazoo. Got some summer squash. More over there too. This field is one of our jobs today. We got to tackle some weeding in this field. Right here, this is actually just a little bit lack of mulch, so we got to throw a little mulch on it. And then we got to come through. This will actually be our first weeding on these onions that we've done all year. So you can tell we just got to come through and just get into some of these holes and take care of the weeds that have been growing up. And then do a little bit of mulch on the aisles. We've been using hay bale mulch in between our fabrics, and we've got a few chunks that we need to do today, so that's our big task for the day. Our collards are getting a little out of control. I'm actually going to try a little bit more companion planting in the collards. I read that tomatoes are good in collards to help keep the flea beetles down, which, I mean, they actually so far are pretty non-existent, but we've had a pretty mild spring, to say the least. There's some stuff going on there, though. Let's see what we got going on. Sometimes when you start seeing things like that, you want to look on the underside. to see if you can find a bug. Sometimes stuff like that happens when the plant's a lot younger, or the leaf is a lot younger, and it might be really small. You don't notice it until it, you see this, we'd have to get this bed cleaned up today. Lots to do always this time of year. So, and there comes 2 extra hands. Gail in the house.